fabulous chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious chicken chops gravy. It's a very delicious South Indian chicken gravy. It's a very good side dish for biryani, rice, or even chapati or idli or dosa. It's my dad's favorite recipe. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for the gravy. Let's prepare the masala first. I've taken 1 handful of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, about 4 cinnamon sticks, 10 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. We also need about 10 dried red chilies. You can alter the chilies according to your taste, and a few curry leaves. Now let's take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's start adding the masala ingredients. First, let's add about 1 teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, first let's add the coriander seeds and roast them. Keep the flame in slow and roast the coriander seeds till all the aroma is well released. Now let's start adding the other ingredients one by one. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of peppercorn seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and roast them in slow flame. At this stage, let's add the cinnamon sticks, about 4 numbers, and about 10 cloves, and also add about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. This gives a nice aroma to the gravy. And keep roasting them till the flavor is nicely released. Now, let's add about 10 dried red chilies and 1 handful of curry leaves. You can alter the dried red chilies according to your taste. We also need about 1 coconut, which is finely grated. Now let's add the grated coconut into the masala and roast them together. We need to grind it into a fine paste for the gravy. We also need about 10 garlic cloves, about 2-inch size of ginger, about 15 shallots or small onions for the masala. Now take another pan. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Into the hot oil, let's add the chopped ginger. Let's also add the garlic cloves, about 10 numbers, and 15 shallots or small onions, and stir fry all these ingredients for about 10 minutes. Now let's grind the masala ingredients in a mixer jar. Also add the shallots, ginger, garlic into the masala paste and grind all the ingredients together. Now let's transfer the ginger, garlic and shallots into the masala paste and grind everything into a fine paste. Now let's start preparing the gravy. For that we need about 4 cinnamon sticks, about 10 cloves, about 6 cardamom, about 1 teaspoon of stone flour, a few curry leaves, about 2 large onions which is sliced, 3 tomatoes which is finely chopped. Now take a pan. Into the pan, let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add the cinnamon sticks, about 4 numbers, about 10 cloves, 6 cardamom, and also the stone flour, about 1 teaspoon. This gives a nice flavor to the gravy. Now, let's add about 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. When the ingredients are well roasted, let's add the chopped onions. I've taken about 3 large onions which is finely sliced, and also add about a handful of curry leaves and stir fry them till the onions are nice and golden brown. Now you can see that our onions are nice and golden brown. At this stage, let's add the chopped tomatoes, about 3 numbers, and stir fry them. Also add sufficient salt. And keep stir frying till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Now we can see that our ground masala is ready. It should be a fine paste. Now let's add the ground masala into the onion tomato mixture. And stir fry it very well till the raw flavor of the masala goes. So we need to stir fry it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now I've taken about 1.5 kg of chicken which is cut into medium pieces. Let's transfer the chicken into the masala. And also add sufficient salt. Now let's close the pan with a lid and allow the chicken to cook. We need not add water to the gravy. You can see after 10 to 15 minutes the chicken has released water. It's well cooked and nice and tender. Now check the seasoning and finally garnish the gravy with a handful of coriander leaves which is nicely chopped. So that's it friends, our delicious South Indian style chicken chops gravy is absolutely ready. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.